Hi. Do you know having a proper financial plan is any day better than doing random investments? Now, here are 5 quick tips to manage your own financial planning. Have a retirement fund. There is nothing more certain in life than retirement. It will come and you need to plan for it. Second would be create your own emergency fund. Pandemic, job losses, recession, all of these events can actually drain your savings. Third would be have a proper term and a health insurance coverage. In any of these unfortunate events happening, these can completely drain your savings. Fourth would be create goals for your multiple requirements in life, be it your child's education, their marriage, buying a house, buying a car. Create baskets, create multiple goals, and then plan for it. And lastly, please have your own will. That's the most neglected part of a financial planning, but that's one of the most important. So, whatever you have created in your lifetime, you need to plan it to pass it to the next generation.